Hello dear students, very good morning and welcome back to the next part of this chapter 7, that is magnet and its properties. Okay dear, in last class we have understand about properties of magnet and characteristics of magnet, that magnet has a attractive property, repulsive property. Okay, magnet has a two in point, two poles, dual poles it has. Okay. Magnet cannot exist in a unipolar form, means a single pole cannot exist in a magnet. Okay, so these topics we have covered in the last class. Now I am going to deal with the next topic, that is magnetic field. First of all, we will understand about the meaning and word about field, and then we will correlate the word field with magnet. Okay, dear, I hope that you all understand field is a field in which we play. Okay, no, dear, just understand. Field is a region or a space around which some magnetic influence can be felt. That region or a space is called as magnetic field. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, एक कहावत है कि गली का कुत्ता भी शेर होता है। मीन्स उस गली में, उस पार्टिकुलर गली में वो कुत्ता बहुत अपने आप को मजबूत समझता है। दैट इज द रीजन, दैट इज द फील्ड ऑफ दैट डॉग। ओके, आई होप सो दैट यू गेट इट। मीन्स इफ देयर इज a magnet, if you are placing a bar magnet on the left, there will be a north pole and south pole of the magnet. Okay, so some space, some region around this magnet, where another magnet or any magnetic substance, either like magnet or iron piece, Fe, any magnetic substance, iron piece, is being made closer to this field. If it will enter in this field, that will be influenced by the magnet already present over here. If it is here, it is not influencing it. But when it comes in the region, particular region, in that region, this magnet and this iron will be affected by this magnet already over here. So the region or a space over which an influence of a magnet is present, that region or a space is called as magnetic field. I hope you get it. So please define that it is the region or a space. Magnetic field, the definition is the region around a magnet where its magnetic influence can be felt is called magnetic field. Magnetic field. Okay, I hope you get it. Dear, it is the region or a space. This is the region or a space. Region around the magnet. Around the magnet. Magnet around the magnet. या मैग्नेट दूसरा मैग्नेट आ रहा है और उस पर कोई प्रभाव पड़ रहा है उस मैग्नेट के द्वारा उस रीजन में, दैट रीजन इज कॉल्ड एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। डियर, इट इज a limited space. Okay, it is a limited space. For example, if there is a magnet here and you are sitting at your home and there are a lot of magnetic substances at your home, it is not influencing over there. Okay, it is influencing a little bit area, a space around this, that is called its magnetic influence. Another way that the San Francisco school has its influence over the Motihari. Okay, but it has no influence in the Patna. Okay, there is another San Francisco school, might be possible over Patna, that is influencing the Patna region. Okay, so not the Motihari San Francisco school is influencing Patna. Okay, so you may understand it that the region is limited. Okay, up to which there is an influence felt by a magnet which is called as its magnetic field. I hope you get it. Now, these fields, magnetic fields, which consist of means बना हुआ होता है, consist of magnetic field lines of force. Imaginary magnetic field lines of force consist of these fields. Okay, so now come to the point. Magnetic field lines of force. What do you mean by magnetic field lines of force? Okay, a set of imaginary curved lines known as magnetic field lines of force. Do you understand? When you put a bar magnet on a plane surface, okay, and if you are putting some iron fillings is iron के बुरादे, okay, iron fillings, if you are just placing over, sprinkling it over these regions, these iron fillings will arrange like this, okay, it will like arrange like this, okay, and this shape is called magnetic field lines. This shape is called magnetic field lines. ये सब क्या कहलाते हैं? Magnetic field lines कहलाते हैं. I hope you get it here. Magnetic field lines. Okay. Okay, so magnetic field lines is a set of lines, imaginary lines, which we cannot see by our naked eyes. Set of imaginary lines, okay, which comprise this field, this region is called as magnetic field lines. So I hope it should be written magnetic field lines. A set of imaginary curved lines known as lines of force or magnetic field lines. Okay, so I hope you get it. Here it is very important terminology you have to keep in your mind. A set of imaginary curved lines known as magnetic line of force or magnetic field lines. Okay. So these are the fields, the space, region, and this region consist of an imaginary set of lines, curved lines. these are the curved lines. Okay, and according to this field work. Okay, now I am moving to the properties of magnetic field lines. I am moving to properties of magnetic field lines. Okay. Properties of magnetic field lines. We are understanding. Properties of magnetic field lines. First property is magnetic field lines always move, always emerges from north pole and ends at south pole. As I have shown in the figure, it always come out from north pole and ends to the south pole. Okay. Outside the magnet, but inside the magnet it always moves from south to north. So I hope that first property you get it. Magnetic field lines always emerges from north pole and ends to the south pole. First property. Okay. Second property. Its direction is from north to south outside the magnet. मैग्नेट के बाहर इसकी डायरेक्शन कहाँ होती है? नॉर्थ से साउथ की तरफ होती है. नॉर्थ पोल टू साउथ पोल ऑफ द मैग्नेट. आई होप यू गेट इट. बट इनसाइड द मैग्नेट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड इज फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ. दिस shows that magnetic field lines are it is a closed loop. Is making a closed loop. So magnetic field lines always makes a closed loop. So what is the first property? First property says that magnetic field lines always emerges from north pole and sinks at the south pole. Second property says that magnetic field lines always makes a closed loop. Always makes a closed loop because if you are starting from north, you are going to south and ends at north. So it is making a closed loop. Okay. Third property says that magnetic field lines are many close to each other at poles. Means at poles magnetic field lines are closer. Okay. But in the middle it is far away from it. Okay. So that's why next property says that as the number of magnetic field lines is higher for the magnet will be stronger of strength. Magnetic property strength will be higher. Okay, I hope you get it. Next property, magnetic field lines never intersect with each other. Come here. Magnetic field lines never intersect with each other. Here, as I have told you, that magnetic field lines always emerges from north pole and sinks at south pole. In this process, they always keep distance with each other. Okay, they are quite close to each other. But they cannot intersect each other by self. Okay, it cannot intersect like this we cannot draw, like this we cannot draw. Okay, it is a wrong process. There, it can't possible that two magnetic field lines intersect at a particular point. Why it cannot intersect at a particular point? There, this is the question. Very interesting question it is. Why two magnetic field lines cannot intersect each other at a particular point? Because if they intersect, what will happen? Dear, understand. If they intersect and if you are putting a compass over here, the magnetic needle of the compass will get confused where to attract. It has two directions, here and here, here and here. It is in two directions. In which direction it will come to this? In this direction or in this direction? पास होगा तो आपके यहाँ तक पहुंच नहीं सकता है, लेटर can't be reached to you. Okay, similar thing happened over here. I hope you get it. So we have done all the properties. Now we since come to these all points, I am just recalling you. First properties of magnetic field line says that magnetic field lines always emerges from north pole and ends to the south pole. Second property shows that magnetic field lines always makes a closed loop. Third property shows that magnetic field lines emerges from north pole and ends to south pole, from outside the magnet, from inside it, from south to north direction of magnetic field lines. Okay, next property shows that the magnetic field lines are closer at the ends of the magnet, means at the pole of the magnet. Closer. That's why the strength of magnetic property is more at the north pole and south pole. I hope you get it, dear. This is the next property is that magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Okay, magnetic field lines can never intersect each other. If it will intersect, there might be two directions for a particular address, and that is not possible here. That is not possible. Okay, so magnetic field lines never intersect each other. I hope you get it. Please note it down and learn it. Okay, and ask frequently, frankly in Google Meet, dear. Okay, bye all of you. Dear students, as I have explained you, I have a bar magnet and this point shows that the north pole of a bar magnet, okay, and the opposite end is called as south pole of the bar magnet. As today in class video I have explained you about the properties of a magnetic field lines of a magnet. I remind you once again that magnetic field lines is always directed from north to south pole in a loop, okay, from outside the magnet, okay, and nearer the ends the magnetic field lines is more, while at the equatorial portion the magnetic field lines is less. I will show you this with a very useful examples here. Here I have a bar magnet and iron dust that I am just sprinkling over the bar magnet, and it will get arranged in the field like structure that I have explained you on the board in the video lecture. Okay, see dear, it will arranged itself in the shape of magnetic field lines. As I have explained you, similar way it will be arranged. Okay, as I have also explained you that in the end of the pole the magnetic field lines will be more, while at the equatorial region it will be less and in the loop only. Okay, so I hope you get it idea. The arrangement of iron fillings which are in loop from north to south, at ends the iron fillings has gathered more, it means filled are more here at the end. At equatorial line the iron fillings has less and fine line structure, it means it has a less magnetic field strength over here. Okay, bye.